Boy, I'm checking to make sure everything's ready here in the bathroom for our plumber who will be out here in just a couple hours to install the new tub and tub surround. Now you can see we installed insulation in the exterior wall to make things a little more energy efficient, but while the walls were open, we also installed insulation on the two interior walls for soundproofing. Always a good idea in a bathroom, kitchen, or even a laundry room. Now we've also installed the vent light unit that Chelsea picked out, so that's ready to go. And all of the plumbing for the plumbing valve and shower head are in place as well. So now the challenge is to bring a tub and a tub surround in this small bathroom that has a pretty small door. In our case, getting the tub in is easy enough. And once it's leveled and secured to the studs, we're ready for the surround, which comes in 3 separate pieces. First, the back wall is snapped in and screwed to the studs like Ed described. Then the side walls are added and secured. One wall has to be modified for the faucet, of course, but once that's done, we're ready for the drywall.